In this video, we will discuss the top 6 best small toaster oven. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Breville BOV 450 XL. Our list starts with Breville BOV 450 XL Smart Toaster Oven for small spaces with 8 cooking functions to guide you to perfection: bagel, toast, bake, broil, pizza, roast, cookies, and reheat. It provides an element IQ, and in this way, it transfers heat intelligently across 4 quartz elements for precise and stable heat where and when you want it for perfect results, every time. The Smart Element IQ refers to one thing: there's heat, and there's smart heat. Certainly, you will be impressed as this unit has not so many capacity. Just to have an idea, your mini smart oven fits 4 not so many slices of toast, cookies, tuna melts, and 11-inch pizzas. Sounds great, isn't it? With the super fast 1800 watt preheat function, you get your meals on the table more quickly. Number 2. Mueller MT175. What about some lightly browned and bubbly bruschetta, or why not some chicken nuggets for the children in minutes? This product is a compact toaster oven that allows you to toast golden brown bread slices, or to cook pizzas with a tender, crispy crust in less time. As you may observe, there is a variety of foods that you can prepare by easily switching cooking modes with the slide of a lever. There is no need to heat up the conventional oven. You should know that this trusty machine has 4 functions that will have you cooking in a hurry. The bake, broil, toast, and keep warm settings take care of all your cooking tasks. This oven is designed with a large window and timer with stay-on functionality in order to allow you to cook exactly to your specifications. It includes a large glass door just for keeping an eye on your food during cooking. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER TO1760SS. If you choose BLACK+DECKER TO1760SS stainless steel toaster oven, you will enjoy natural convection technology, as the interior of the unit is designed to circulate hot air throughout the oven for fast and even results. With an attractive and durable stainless steel that looks so great in any cooking space, the product provides 4 cooking functions, letting you choose from convection bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. It has a compact size, and in this way, it easily fits a 9 pizza, 4 slices of bread, or a variety of other snacks and meals. It has a 30-minute timer function, a precise cooking timer that features a stay-on function for longer baking tasks. The included pack and bake pan fit perfectly in the toaster oven. There is a removable crumb tray to easily remove food crumbs before they burn in the bottom of the oven. Number 4. COMFEE CFO BB101. A small appliance such as COMFEE CFO BB101 toaster oven adds convenience and enhanced experiences for a value-driven customer. It has a compact size that makes it ideal for apartment kitchens, vacation homes, offices, and dorms. This oven is easy to operate as it provides 2 dials to control everything. You have an upper dial that controls the temperature and the cooking modes, while the lower dial features the precise 30-minute timer with stay-on mode, allowing for longer baking time. This means that you can also get the perfect slice of toast by selecting the shade you prefer. It is so easy to cook with this oven that offers 3 popular cooking functions: bake, toast, and broil. The toast function can be used to toast garlic bread, the bake function to make your favorite bagels, English muffins, and waffles, and the broiling feature for meat and vegetables. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 31123D. For those who will choose Hamilton Beach 31123D toaster oven for small spaces, they should know that you will not find a design like this toaster oven with a roll-top door anywhere else. It provides a unique and large opening that makes food easy to reach. Consider that since the door opens above the oven, it frees up your countertop space in front. Believe it or not, it is so easy to keep clean because food cannot spill on the door. It has contoured dials easy to grip and turn, making it simple to switch between bake, broil, and toast settings. There is a stay-on setting, with a stop mechanism that prevents the knob from being turned to stay on by accident. This unit is safer. The capacity of the toaster oven is sufficient to fit 6 slices of toast, 12 inches pizza, and 9 inches x 11 inches bake pan. This means that there is a spacious interior for providing you the room for cooking everything from snacks to side dishes. Such an oven can accommodate the foods your family loves most, from after-school snacks, toast, frozen pizzas to homemade meals. Number 6. Cuisinart TOB60N1. Last but not least, Cuisinart TOB60N1 toaster oven provides you 15 cooking functions and offers special settings for speed convection, sandwiches, and bagels. Its output power is 1,800 watts and is sufficient to quickly heat up. There is an exact heat sensor that produces precise temperatures and perfect results every time. Regarding the capacity of the unit, you should know that the roomy Easy Clean non-stick interior can hold a 12-inch pizza, 9 slices of bread, a 9x13 baking pan, or an entire chicken for your family dinner. To get a slice with the shade they want, there is even toast and always even toast controls. If we should describe Cuisinart TOB60N1 toaster oven, we may say that it has an industrial stainless steel styling for cooking options, including convection bake and convenient keep warm function. All these characteristics make this multifunctional countertop oven a valuable addition to any kitchen. With this 500 degrees Fahrenheit oven, you have the possibility to bake, broil, toast, warm, and convection bake to perfection. There is a tinted glass door in order to monitor the cooking progress without opening the door, and at the same time, cleanup is easy thanks to the interior non-stick coating.